Okay, so now we're going to look at number 3. And number 3, what's going to be printed on the screen? Well, you have, what are your methods? You have the main method and you have the product method. And the one that gets started automatically is main. So here's your variable that's assigned to be 7 and is assigned to be 10. The next line down is a method call because why? It's got the name of one of the methods and it's got parentheses. That's a method call. It's going to send the value of n, which is 10, and it's going to send an 8. So these are going to be sent. And the 10 goes to the first variable because it's the first argument, the first parameter. 8 is the second argument, so it goes to the second parameter. So product method call invokes, sets into operation, activates this method. The first thing this method does is it has to set up memory locations for j and for k. Those memory locations then receive the 10 and the 8. So the j is 10 and the k is 8. Those are the values that it received from the method call. And then we continue on with the method now, and so prod is declared, and prod is assigned the calculation of j times k. So prod is assigned 80. Now we have a print statement. We're going to print the result is and a space, and then we're going to call prod, which is 80. So we're going to print the result is space 80. The next line down is a print statement. We're going to print j, the call j is 10. And so 10 space cats. So we're going to print 10 cats. And then the method is done. So once it's done, then you go back to this method call. So product was called right here. There's nothing to do here, so we go to the next line down. Well, the next line down declares another variable and assigns it the difference between n and m, and so it's going to be 10 minus 7, and so x is assigned the value of 3. Then we're going to print and we're going to call the variable x, which we just found out has been assigned 3. So we're going to print 3 dogs. And there you go. That's the end of the main method. So therefore the program is done.